Vogel said, "It is fishing that gets me out into the woods, hunting mushrooms and noticing things." Catching fish is participating in something much grander than we can fully understand. It engages us in the more meaningful aspects of our existence. Whenever we are by the water, colours seem to appear more vibrant. Iridescence appears on the surface of things. Trees whisper in the wind, and nature itself begins to speak in subtle visual ways, always intending to be noticed. As bizarre as it may appear to the non-angler, the catching and releasing of fish affords us anglers the opportunity to gain deeper respect for our quarry. If we remain conscious of this, we may gain a deepening respect for all nature. An initiation into the world of angling is permission to delve deeper into the magic of the natural world. On the surface, an angler can appear to be either lazy or very patient. The answer lies in his or her intention. To my mind, a connection with nature will not make a bad angler good, but it will make a good angler better. It will also ensure that angling itself survives and nature isn't denuded. Watercraft is not just about learning how best to extract a wary fish from its watery home. It's also about understanding how best to maintain and preserve the equilibrium surrounding fish and all nature. After all, the fish and its environment are one and the same. They are inexorably coupled and cannot survive without each other. Anyone who truly understands the passion for angling knows only true happiness exists by the waterside. All other time is spent either thinking or dreaming about it. It's about catching fish, but aside from that very important part, it's about being outside, immersed in nature, truly appreciating it. It's when we stop and are completely in the moment, we realize how great it is to be alive. Nothing else exists or matters. This is our chosen reality.